In this lecture, we will see different rules for simplification of K-map. So, in the last lecture, we have seen that there are different steps for solving the Boolean expression using the K-map. So far what we have did, we have seen the type of Boolean expressions, then from the expression how to draw the K-map. After that we did that how to fill the K-map from the given expression, what are the different methods. Now today in this lecture we will see how to apply different rules for minimizing the Boolean expression. Okay, this is the final step for simplification of K-map. So we have different kind of rules for minimizing Boolean expression. So for that, first of all, we should know how to make the groups of the cells. Okay, so after filling the K-map, then the next step is to make a groups of the cells. Okay, so how to make the group of the cells means that the different cells which contain 1. Okay, so we have seen while filling the K-map that all the cells are filled with 0 and 1s as per the expression given. Now we will concentrate only on the cells which contain 1, and we have to make the grouping of that cells, right? So first of all, we will see that how to make the group of the cells, and after that in the next lecture we will see that how to write the Boolean expression from the selected group of cells, right? Right. Now coming to the rules for grouping of cells. The first rule is that the group may not include any cell data that containing a 0. Okay, this is what this means, that we should include only ones in a group. Okay, there should not be any 0 in a group. Okay, if you see this first example, in this case we have 0 and 1 in the cells. Okay, so we cannot make this group as the cell contains 0. Okay, 0 will not be included in any group. On the right hand side, there are 2 ones available in the group, and we can make this group of 2 ones. So this is the right. Okay, so the first rule is that the group should not include any 0, right? Similarly, coming to next one, the next rule says that groups may be horizontal or vertical but not diagonal, right? So it is seen here that this kind of grouping is not possible. Okay, diagonal grouping is not possible, but horizontal and vertical grouping is possible. Okay, so this is known as the horizontal grouping and this is known as the vertical grouping. Okay, and the things to note here that 0 should not be included in the group. Only we have to group the ones. Okay, now the next one is, now the thing is, यहाँ पे एक चीज देखेंगे कि कितने नंबर ऑफ सेल की हमें ग्रुपिंग करनी है, right? So for a given Boolean expression, whether it is 2 variable or 3 variable or 4 variable, similarly we have number of cells. For 2 variable the number of cells are 4. For 3 variable we require 8 number of cells, and for 4 variable we require 16 cells, right? So we have the zeros and 1 filled in each cell. Now the the maximum, the possible group, we have to see that how many ones we can include in a group, right? So that is given here, that only 2 raised to power n cells grouping is possible, right? So we can make a group of 2 raised to power 1, that is 2. We can make a grouping of 4, 2 raised to power 2, 4. We can make a grouping of 2 raised to power 3, 8. We can make a grouping of 2 raised to power 4, it can be 16, right? So means the even number of grouping is possible, odd number of grouping is not possible, like a group of 3 ones, okay? Group of 3 ones is not possible, group of 5 ones is not possible, group of 7 ones is not possible. So only 2 raised to power n cells grouping is possible, okay? 2 raised to power 0, that is 1. So 1, if it is a single one, it can be a group, right? So 2 raised to power 0, 1, 2, 3 is possible, okay? You can write here 0 also. If it is a single one, it can be treated as a group, right? So okay, so in the first example, you see I have 2, 1 here, and I make a group of 2, right? In the second example, in a 3 variable K-map, I have if 3 ones are written like this, then I cannot make a group of 3. It is not possible, okay? This grouping is right, but this grouping is wrong. In the fourth one, a group of 4 is possible, okay? All 4 are included in one group, so this is possible. In the fourth example, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones and 3 zeros are there, and it is shown a group of 5, or it has shown a group of 8, which includes 0. Okay, so in the last slide we have seen that including 0 in a group is not possible, or even grouping of 5 is not possible. So this is not allowed. Okay, so only grouping of 2 raised to power n cell is possible, that is 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, like that, right? So this is to remember. Next rule is each group should be as large as possible, right? So means if there are in the first example, you will see in this example, you see 1, 2, 3, 4 ones are there in a horizontal manner, then another 1 is available here. Okay, now here the grouping is made of this 4 and this 4. Okay, this means that these two are overlapped. Okay, these two are overlapped. So this is one of the another rule, that overlapping is possible. If we can make a large group by overlapping, then it is always possible. So always remember that overlapping for making a large group is always possible. Okay, we can make, हम यहाँ पे इस तरह से ग्रुपिंग भी कर सकते थे कि ये 4 की ग्रुपिंग अलग कर लो और ये 2 की ग्रुपिंग अलग कर लो. We can do like this, but it is not optimized solution. The optimized solution is to make a group large as possible. जितना ज़्यादा बड़ा ग्रुप बनाएंगे उतना ही आपका जो बुलियन एक्सप्रेशन है वो शॉर्ट बनेगा. जितने छोटे छोटे ग्रुप बनाएंगे, एज इट इज सीन इन दिस एग्जांपल, यहाँ पे देखो इन्होंने 2, 2 और 2 सेपरेट 3 ग्रुप बनाए हैं. ठीक है, if you make the boolean expression from this, the boolean expression is large. okay, boolean expression आपका large बनेगा. अगर यहाँ पे जो इन्होंने दो ग्रुप बनाए हैं चार चार के, इसका अगर बुलियन एक्सप्रेशन बनाओगे so that boolean expression will be short. Okay, so that is our aim, is that our boolean expression should be minimized. boolean expression minimized होने का मतलब है कि आपका हार्डवेयर जो है वो मिनिमाइज होगा। तो हमारा एम यही है कि हमने हार्डवेयर को रिड्यूस करना है, मिनिमाइज करना है, और वो तभी पॉसिबल है जब हम बड़े से बड़ा ग्रुप बनाएंगे। बड़े से बड़ा मीन अगर ज़्यादा से 4 बन सकता है, 4 का बन सकता है तो 4 का बनाएंगे, अगर 8 का बन सकता है पॉसिबल तो 8 का बनाएंगे, ना कि हम 8 को 2-2 के ग्रुप में या 4-4 के ग्रुप में डिवाइड करेंगे। ओके, द मेन थिंग इज दैट द grouping is possible or not. Okay, so as in the first example you have seen that a grouping of 4 and 4 is possible. Okay, अगर हम छोटी grouping करते हैं so that is not the right way, right? Okay, now coming to the next point, each cell containing a one must be in at least one group, right? so इसका मतलब वही है कि ग्रुप में वन का ग्रुप ही बनेगा, और अगर एक सिंगल वन बचता है, अब यहाँ पे ये भी आपका एक्यूरेट नहीं है, अगर आप सिंगल वन बनाते हो तो ये पॉसिबल नहीं है, अगर आपका ओवरलैप करके पॉसिबल है सो ऑलवेज गो फॉर दैट, राइट? सो दैट इज द रूल फॉर दिस वन। नाउ दिस वी हैव ऑलरेडी डिस्कस्ड दैट ग्रुप में ओवरलैप। अब ग्रुप ओवरलैप कब करना है ये भी मैंने आपको बता दिया कि नाउ द ग्रुप यू गो फॉर ओवरलैपिंग ओनली इफ यू कैन मेक अ लार्ज ग्रुप आफ्टर ओवरलैपिंग, ओके, एंड मल्टी ओवरलैपिंग इज नॉट अलाउड, ओके, मल्टी ओवरलैपिंग इज नॉट अलाउड और इट इज नॉट वायबल। तो इसकी मल्टी ओवरलैपिंग की एक एग्जाम्पल ले लेते हैं। लेट अस सपोज वी आर गिवन विद दिस we are given with this okay, let us suppose here it is 1, here it is 0. Now how to group this one? You make this grouping, right, and make this grouping. So all the ones are covered, and two groups are formed. Now it is not viable to make this grouping, okay, जो ऑलरेडी ग्रुप हो गए हैं उनको ओवरलैप करने का कोई बेनिफिट नहीं है, राइट? सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू विल सी कि आपके सारे ग्रुप हो रहे हैं। दूसरी चीज, क्या बड़ा ग्रुप जितना पॉसिबल था उतना बन गया, ठीक है, जो ऑलरेडी ग्रुप्ड हो गए हैं उनको ओवरलैप करने का कोई भी बेनिफिट नहीं है, ओके। सो ऑलवेज ट्राई टू गो फॉर लार्ज ग्रुप, ओके, एंड ओवरलैपिंग इज ऑलवेज पॉसिबल टू मेक अ लार्ज ग्रुप, ओके। यहाँ पे अगर हम लोग ये वाली पॉसिबिलिटी यूज करते so that is not viable, so this is better. Now the next one is, okay, this is important to understand here. Group may wrap around the table. Group may wrap around the table means that corner पे जो आपके ग्रुप्स हैं they are treated as one group. कॉर्नर पे जो अवेलेबल है, जैसे नाउ दिस ग्रुप इज पॉसिबल, 4 का ग्रुप बना लोगे नो डाउट, ये 4 का ग्रुप बन जाएगा नो डाउट। नाउ व्हाट अबाउट दिस, एक तो ये है कि आप ये ग्रुपिंग कर लो ओवरलैप, इसको 1 को इसके साथ ओवरलैप करके ग्रुपिंग हो गई। अब कितने ग्रुप बने, ओके, लेट अस टेक अगेन एक ग्रुप, this is one group, okay, 1, this is 2, this is 3। एक तो ये पॉसिबिलिटी है कि आप 3 ग्रुप ये वाले बना लो, सारे 1 कवर हो गए और ये ग्रुप बन गए, ठीक है। अब दूसरी पॉसिबिलिटी देखते हैं, दूसरी पॉसिबिलिटी क्या है, जैसे इन्होंने लिया है ये कि दिस वन, ये दो और ये दो, this is one group. Okay, that is the mean that group may wrapped around the table. ये और ये, this is a group of 4 cells. Group of 4 cells. That is written here. The leftmost cell in the row, may be grouped with rightmost cell. Okay, leftmost जो cell है, that can be grouped with the rightmost cell. Okay, so this is 2 and 2, that is a 4 cells grouped. Okay, similarly अगर आप ये this single and this single is also possible. Okay, but we always try for a bigger group, so combine this 2 with this 2 to make a group of 4, right? So in this way the group may be wrapped around the table. So one thing you note here, that a group of four cells is known as a quad, and the group of 8 cells is known as octagroup. Okay, so group of 4 cell is known as a quad group, and group of 8 cell is known as a octagroup. Right, so these are all the possibilities, or these are all the rules available for grouping. One more group remains here, that there should be as few group as possible. Okay, that is opposite to that group should be larger. Okay, so other way to say is that there should be a few group. जितना बड़ा group बनाएंगे उतने ही कम group बनेंगे, right? So that is the other way to say, as long as this does not contradict any of the previous two. So group कम से कम बनना चाहिए, और जितने रूल हमने किए हैं वो सारे के सारे रूल ध्यान में रख के इनको बनाना. Okay, so these two examples we have already seen, right? So by using all these groups we will make the grouping from the, first of all we have the expression. From the expression we fill the k-map. Okay, we take a k-map depending upon the number of variables, then we fill the k-map from the expression. After filling the k-map, then we will go for grouping the number of 1. उसके सारे रूल हमने आज कर लिए. So after grouping, then we will go for writing the Boolean expression from that groups, and that we will see how to write that Boolean expression in the next lecture, right? So that will be the final step for simplification using k-map, right? Okay.